I saw an angel coming down from heaven, having great power, and the earth lit with his glory. He cried mightily with a strong voice, Babylon the great is fallen and has become the place of all evil. Babylon is fallen. She is fallen. She has become the house of devils. All the nations have drunk the wine of her fornications. The kings of the earth commit adultery. Mystery, Babylon, mother of harlots. Mystery, Babylon, the abomination of